So I got this great question from Joy on Facebook recently. Thank you so much, Joy. And though I already responded to Joy, I thought this would be a great video to pose for the rest of you out there, especially those newer resellers wanting to know about eBay feedback. Is it really important nowadays? The simple answer is yes, but maybe not as much as you think. If you are a newer reseller and you have very minimal feedback, then yes, it is more important for you to go ahead and get that positive feedback. Not every buyer is going to leave feedback. In general, 1 out of 3 or 4 leave feedback for me. And by this point, I'm okay with it because I've got so much feedback now that it doesn't really matter. But when you're a newer reseller, especially if you have no feedback at all, it's crucial that you go ahead and establish some feedback at the very beginning so that buyers will trust you. One quick way that you can do this is by making some purchases on eBay. Buy some things that you would typically buy on Amazon or at the store. And after you make those purchases, you'll notice that you'll get feedback for your payment. So go right now, make some purchases, get that quick feedback, and you'll go from 0 to 3, 4, a handful of feedback, which may not seem like a huge jump, but it is in the eyes of a buyer. Having a few feedback scores by your handle instead of that 0 will drastically improve how buyers view you. Now, generally speaking, when you get further down the road and you've got hundreds and thousands of feedback, it really doesn't make that much of a difference. As long as you have feedback that is really close to 100%, you'll be fine. And I would say even nowadays, with more and more people turning online to make their everyday purchases or just buying things for themselves, people don't look at feedback as much anymore. Regarding negative feedback, when I first started, I had 100% for so long. And then at some point, you're just going to get that negative feedback. Someone's going to have an experience with you and it just doesn't live up to their standards, whether it's warranted or not, and they're going to leave negative feedback. After a year, that negative feedback will drop off, which is great news, even though it takes a while to get there. But also, it doesn't really matter. As long as you're not making a habit of providing poor customer service and getting negative feedback, you'll be fine. It's going to happen. So hopefully that helps you understand eBay's feedback and how important it is, especially if you're a newer reseller.